It's Metronome, bitch.
I love this stuff right here because it reminds me of New York in the city, baby. You already know jazz has always played a major intricate role in hip-hop.
Y'all better do your homework on them Jazzmatazz albums if you didn't know.
Rest in peace, Guru.
Indeed.
We're going to get into that next video, but like I said, this is hip-hop in its finest. You know what I'm saying? Creativity.
This
Let's
is the
get
purest
it.
form. Let's go.
What's the name of your company anyway?
Mopic.
Mopic? Mopac?
Mopic.
Mopic?
Mopic.
Mopic video.
And be so clear.
So just be yourself,
Y'all
man.
be so clear.
Come on, just be yourself, man.
And be so clear.
Toiled in the trenches, face judges on benches, betrayed by some that I fed, not to mention. Standing here now in the best condition, up out of the dirt, so I suggest you listen. See, money can't make you or me.